with fires scorching the land at an unseen rate. The YRP have luckily been safe from the fire, but remain threatened by Bolsonaro's environmental policies. The yellow marks here show the scale of deforestation, which has increased more than 60% in June compared to last year. That's over 750 square miles of lost land. Put it simply, that's 1.5 soccer fields being destroyed every minute of every day. So while the YRP wait for the world to act, life goes on here. 59-year-old Chief Jariati goes to school to learn Portuguese.
Eu quero aprender como é que habita no Caraíba. Eu falo assim, só eu potente. Como é que habita? Eu quero saber como é que fala Caraíba, porque eu quero aprender para conversar com branco na foto.
Teaching the next generation.
Eu quero que minha filha, como eu também, cacique, esse luta da terra, da nossa terra, isso é muito importante para mim, continua sendo.
Traditions that have protected their ancient lands. Actions that defend the very air that we breathe. Isa Suarez, CNN.
Well, CNN reached out to the Brazilian president's press office about the government's policies in the region and was told the president would make no comments, or his office. CNN also